Oh, look at them. They're ready to eat. Look at them. They're ready to eat. Look at them. That's Caramel barking. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. They're just ready. That's Caramel. That's Bully Room right there. That's Heyman in the back. Halo is right there. Look at him. Say hey. Say hey. See, that's Heyman now. That's Halo. See his foot's brown and white foot? That's Halo. The one in the back right there. That's Heyman. Look at him, y'all. See, this is what they after right here. I let the food soak before I get to them. Oh, look at it. Watch. Look at that. Watch Caramel. Look at him. He's like, come on, bring it to me. Come on, bring it here. Then we look at with his ear fluffed up. Y'all see with his ear fluffed up? That's Bully. That's Bully. Look at him. That's look at that. Oh, look at them. They're ready. Y'all ready? Watch. Watch them that booty boat. Watch them. Watch. Watch them, y'all. Watch them. There y'all go. There you go. Look at her. Look at her. Watch. Look at her. Y'all ready? I let it soak before I give it to them because they're still young and they crunch and they like to swallow so fast. But that's Caramel, the brown one. And when you hear barking, that's Bully. You know that? Okay, that's Halo, the white chest. This is Halo. This is Caramel. This Heyman. Right here, this Heyman. And Bully's the back one. Come here, Bully. Come here, Bully. That's Halo right here. This Halo. That's his name, Halo. This is Caramel. This is Heyman. Come here, Bully. Come here, Bully. See that Bully laid back? Yo, that's Bully. That's Bully right there. Now I got this food now. Watch what they do. Ah, look at them. They're so cute. They are looking for homes. I can't keep on.